Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 McLaren White Amethyst, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Standing as a testament to the pinnacle of automotive artistry, this masterpiece commands a breathtaking global estimated price of $3.8 million, a figure that reflects its status as a rare jewel of the road. The premium exterior design is a symphony of iridescent white pearlescent paint and genuine amethyst crystal infusions that catch the light like a supernova. Its aerodynamic styling is not merely for show. Every sculpted curve and active winglet is engineered to slice through the atmosphere with surgical precision, ensuring maximum downforce as you push the limits of physics. Step inside, and you are enveloped in a cocoon of interior luxury where bespoke silk leather upholstery meets hand-polished gold accents. The seating comfort is unparalleled, featuring ergonomic carbon fiber shells that mold to your body, providing support through the most aggressive cornering while remaining plush for transcontinental journeys. The dashboard layout is a minimalist dream, dominated by a driver-centric holographic interface and the intuitive iridescent infotainment system that seamlessly connects your digital life with the thrill of the drive. Beneath the transparent crystalline engine cover lies a hybrid powertrain, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with high-density axial flux electric motors, delivering a combined 250 horsepower. The speed and acceleration feel are nothing short of visceral, catapulting you from 0 to 60 in a staggering 2.1 seconds, with a top speed that comfortably eclipses 250 miles per hour. Despite this raw aggression, the driving comfort is maintained by an advanced proactive chassis control system that reads the road ahead 1,000 times per second, smoothing out the imperfections of ancient European cobblestones and sun-baked American highways alike. Safety is paramount, featuring a state-of-the-art Level 3 driver assistance suite with 360-degree LiDAR and predictive emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind at any velocity. On the efficiency front, the White Amethyst offers a surprising 50 miles of pure electric range for silent city cruising, making it as sophisticated in high-end shopping districts as it is dominant on the track. Whether you are navigating the tight, neon-lit city streets of Tokyo, carving through the Swiss Alps, or conquering long-distance travel routes across the vast stretches of the Autobahn, the overall driving experience is one of pure, unadulterated transcendence. This is more than just a car. It is a declaration of the future, a rolling sculpture that bridges the gap between mechanical engineering and ethereal beauty. The White Amethyst provides a sensory overload, from the haunting hum of its electric motors to the thunderous roar of its exhaust under full load. Every touchpoint, from the knurled metal toggles to the haptic steering wheel, whispers of quality and visionary intent. As you glide across international borders, the McLaren does not just move you, it inspires you, turning every mundane commute into a cinematic event that demands the world's attention. This is the new benchmark for the ultra-elite, a machine that balances the delicate line between being a lethal track weapon and a serene sanctuary of wealth. The 2027 McLaren White Amethyst is the ultimate expression of what happens when the human imagination is given the keys to the fastest lab on Earth, creating a legacy that will be talked about for decades to come. Experience the zenith of motion, where every mile driven is a masterpiece of performance, and every glance is a moment of pure, crystalline awe.